So guys,
We're back.
we're back, and what will we do today?
Today we have not the iPhone 11, not the iPhone 12, we have the iPhone 6.
Oh
a finished smartphone, still from Apple.
Yep.
And yeah, I had this phone since 2014, and my mother had it for a long time, but there was a problem. The earpiece starts to die. It's very, very quiet now.
Mm-hmm.
And we thought, because it just we're technology geeks, why not fix it?
Why not fix it? Because otherwise it's in really nice condition.
Yes, exactly. We kept it in good condition.
Yeah.
Almost no scratches. So
it's probably one of the nicest iPhone 6s still remaining.
Probably.
Really nice looking.
No bend gate, nothing.
Yeah, no scratches.
Yeah,
so it's worth fixing it, yes.
Exactly. And also we have a little this camera shifting.
Yeah, that's a very common problem with iPhone 6s.
Yeah, the iPhone 6 was a great phone, but it had a few, because it was the first with the design, it had a few
but
problems.
they almost fixed everything with the 6S.
True,
so
yeah.
Probably, this is probably the first gen of this style, so that's why.
Exactly. So yeah, we're gonna fix the camera shift and the earpiece today.
Yeah. And so what will we need for that? I think a P2 for sure.
Yes, we need a P2.
I have one because I need it so often.
Here's the replacement piece if
from
you want.
mobile.
Yeah, exactly.
But they're a good supplier.
Oh yes, definitely. So here's the earpiece if you wondered how this looks. And yeah, there's also some weird stupid. There's the pentalobe inside, whatever.
Yeah. I mean, they always include that.
Yeah, I mean, would be kind of. All right, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna remove the pentalobe.
Yep.
Yes, this is the right one.
Is it the right one?
No.
Has this phone ever been opened before?
No.
Wow.
This is the very first time, actually.
And I'll get you this tray.
Yeah, please. Look at the big screws always.
Wow. We're just coming from the iMac screws. They were all ginormous.
We just fixed this thing here over here. Our very first modern iMac.
Yep, there you go. Sneak peek.
Yeah, exactly, for Manfred's video.
Mm-hmm. So it's...
Here we go.
So that was the easy part.
Yeah, now here we go again.
So, yeah.
We need this great thing that is the bane of my existence sometimes.
Suction cup.
Sometimes really sucks.
And this one.
Oh, whoa, this lifts easily.
Whoa.
Well, this will be easy, I can tell you now.
Right.
Okay, so what do? We put it above the home button, then we just lift the screen and...
This works great when the screen is not shattered, because I work a lot on shattered screens, and it's never lifting because the screen is shattered.
Yeah, and never go, and then you just go... He also pizza cut.
Yep.
The iPhone.
And...
Never go in too far, that's important.
Yeah.
And if you're stuck, don't get frustrated.
Yeah, I know how this is.
Cool.
Maybe you should keep one in there.
That would be a good idea, yeah.
Yeah, I always do it this way.
If it stays.
If it stays, yeah, that's the problem.
Damn, this really would go
Now the
easy.
good thing about those generation of iPhones is you can lift it like this.
Yeah, true.
And you don't have to worry about like damaging anything on the bottom too much. So
exactly. This is going easier than I thought, but probably because we have so much more experience now.
But I also like the modern ones with the all screen. They fold up like a book. It's also pretty simple.
Yeah, iPhones are actually against legend.
Yeah.
They are easier to repair than the others.
Yeah, I really like repairing iPhones, especially screens.
It's weird because with the Macs, Apple is like...
With Macs, we hate usually doing stuff. I mean, we kind of enjoy it too. I don't know, we're somehow a little bit masochists. I don't know why.
Masochists, yeah.
But it can be done.
Yeah.
So,
I think I did it.
Yeah, I think you did it.
Yes.
Yeah, like perfect. No, just like
Up,
this.
Right? Yeah. So here you go, the iPhones. Lord, there's a hair in there. How did that happen? Well, there you go, this is an iPhone from inside.
So you have to continue unscrewing the battery tray.
Yeah, exactly. Battery thing. Is that a normal Philips? Oh my god.
I think so, yeah. It is.
No, there's one special. Yeah.
Phillips screw.
Okay, so...
You need this one, the very small one.
Yeah, thank you. Wait, maybe this way we can see stuff.
Yeah, I'll go check in a sec.
Go check in a sec.
So one is a 2.2 mil and one is a 3.2 mil.
Okay, so the bigger one is left.
Bigger one is left, yeah. I'll put it in for you.
Magnetized screwdrivers are so good.
Is that the left?
That's the left, yeah.
Okie doke.
Apple Phillips screws. You disappoint me.
Whoops. Yeah, those were the iPhone 7 was the first with the 3-point.
Yeah,
I think it's easier now with the plier.
yeah, and then you just
Wait, I'll hand you the plier.
lift this up.
I usually love doing it.
It's just funny how like routine like this is. It's like, oh, I don't need it.
Also works great with this, if you
Yeah?
want to try.
So we're gonna unplug the battery.
Yep, there
we
you
go.
go. Batteries. You should always do that.
Yeah, so no electricity is going through there
Yeah,
anymore.
it could kill your new screen
Yeah,
or so.
yeah, exactly.
So-
It could kill way more actually.
Yeah, you shouldn't do
Yeah,
that.
and here we go, screwception, all Phillips. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
But all different sizes, of course. Almost all.
That's why I have this here. I used to do that so often.
Yeah,
I've painted it here.
That's clever, yeah. I'm actually gonna use that.
Yeah, please use it. It hasn't been used in a while.
Go. So we're gonna pull off the EMEI shield.
EMEI.
EMEI. There it is. Do you remember, like with the iPhone 5?
Yeah, that was the first
how
one.
scared we were,
Yeah, like
and
we
now
were
it's
so-
like.
we were so afraid of breaking this thing. Is that the bottom right?
No, this is supposed. There's one in the middle here.
Oh, okay. Then this is iPhone 7 and later.
That could be. Yeah, it's different. It's like so uneventful nowadays.
Yeah, back in the days we would be like,
iPhone repair.
now it's like, yeah.
Everyone's like, yeah. Again, I told you already, but for the guys that's watching, today a friend gave me his Samsung or his grandma's Samsung, and he said, "Well, can you repair this? Like it's impossible." And I told him, "Yeah, I think I can. It's a bit of a bitch to work on, but I can." And he's like, "What?"
Yeah, most people are like, what? It can't be done?
Yeah, and it's funny because most people think that iPhones are way worse to repair,
No, no way.
when in reality they're easier.
iPhones are awesome
You
to
just
work
look
on.
at this. It's essentially I would say if you careful, everyone can do this.
Yes. Like, the most tricky repair is the battery. Only because of the pull tabs.
Yeah.
It will cost you lots of time and nerves, but it can also be done easily. There you go.
Yeah,
I think one is still there.
Oh yeah, damn! I almost didn't see that. Oh, there's two actually.
Oh,
Oh
yeah,
no, I
can't-
think I unplugged the
I
camera.
can't see so far. Oh, it can't be that you unplugged the
I
camera,
unplugged
yes.
the camera.
There you go, you
There you
unplugged
go.
it.
So
It's plugged in again.
thank you. All right, so this is the display out.
Yeah,
So
so
we're not doing the display, which normally is always the thing that
I
people
think
want
I think
repaired.
we'll need to display
Oh
that.
yeah, actually, right. The new ones have it inside, right?
Yeah, right, yeah. The
Which
new
is
ones.
actually great.
Yeah, the new ones are really awesome to work on. Here is an iPhone 6 from inside if you want to see that.
Yeah.
Battery. Here's the processor. Here is Lightning. There's no Taptic engine.
Yeah, not
Just
yet.
didn't have it yet. And yeah, camera, SIM tray, pretty simple.
Pretty straightforward. And here, speaker, front camera, it's all in this one assembly, and there's the button.
There's the button, which is still replaceable. So
Yes,
that is
and it's
the
still clicky.
one of the last. The 6S is the last one where you can replace it. Yeah.
Exactly.
I will unbox this in the meantime for you.
Sure, go ahead. Show the people the grade.
Yeah, just putting it out of the bag. I think what you do is more exciting.
Okay, so again, 3 different screws.
Here is this little thing. They included even some screws with it.
Yeah, true. That is good.
So if you lost the old ones. Come on. Oh, they even included that top
Oh, that's nice.
bracket thing. So you have a replacement there.
Okay, so that goes there. Alright. So that's off, and now it's kind of awesome how well they designed it. It's kind of all you do is you just move this up here,
And there it comes out.
and then just...
If you unscrewed it. Yeah, there you go. That's
There you
it.
go.
Yeah.
That's it, and you just put it back on.
So here is the replacement.
Yeah, thank you. It was this way, right?
Just check the.
Yeah, maybe I'm not quite sure,
But I think
should,
yeah, those golden things must face
yeah,
you.
it makes sense because the new connection.
Okay. I haven't worked on one of those in a while.
Yeah, it's been some time, man. Look, and it just all fits in perfectly. You put the camera
This is so
in.
easy.
We're
This
done.
took you a minute.
And I also reseated the camera. I could feel it was a bit off axis.
So you fixed it now.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Gonna put on the original.
Whoa. So it's more Apple.
Yeah, it's more Apple. Yeah. Damn, that was easy. I just
And only the screws go back and it's done.
yeah, sweet and short. And this video, guys, is another proof. Please,
Please try it.
please, yeah. And if you don't wanna, give it a tech-savvy guy. Again, just another example. The phone I got today, Samsung J5 or Galaxy J5. Wait, this is yeah. J5. How much do you guess the guy? He went to two guys for repair shop into to two repair shops, right?
Okay, yeah.
What do you think did the first one want to have money wise?
What the screen cracked?
For the replacement, yeah.
Well, the screen would cost around 50, so maybe
That's already too much.
the screen costs less.
And way less.
Oh, it's an LCD still. Yeah. Tell them the
So
scam.
the first shop said $90.
Yeah.
The second shop said $150.
Holy shit!
And you know how much a display costs when you buy it?
Yeah.
29.
So if you factor in labor
Yeah.
generously at $50,
Yeah,
how
generously.
calculate that up?
Yeah,
How did they come up with 150?
They just want to rip you off. That's why they did it.
Yeah.
Now it's kind of just Legos. You just
Yeah, it's basically like Legos.
and you hear it. So
Click,
if you want to know,
click.
yeah, exactly. If you want to know if it's in, you just hear.
Trying to show it to you, but it's really hard.
There you go, all in.
There you go.
Like in poker.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Give you more light with the IMAX screen.
And you put the EMEI shoe.
Yeah, your hand is in the way.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Wait, should
Maybe
I
you hold
assist
it on the
you?
top.
Yeah,
That would be nice.
I'll hold it here,
Yeah, that's easier then.
so they can even see it. Oh my god.
That was. There we go. That's good at an angle. There we go. That's in.
Okie dokie.
Wait, maybe we're gonna do professional. The other side.
The one that flexes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Always do it one side each, and then it's easier to do everything. You don't put a lot of stress on the part.
But guys, these cords can actually take quite a lot. I know that from experience.
Yeah, that's true.
You have to be gentle with them, but you don't really have to overdo it. They can quite withstand lots of torture.
It's true, yeah. And Apple builds their phones really well.
Yeah.
It's kind of, we talked about this a lot of times. Apple products are really expensive, but when you look inside, you know why it's expensive. It's
absolutely.
very well built.
And everything's metal and aluminium and very little plasticky.
Just as an example, and this is not a stab at Huawei, man, it's kind of.
Come on, go ahead.
but like Huawei phones are really cheap, but you know when you look inside that
Absolutely.
they're cheap because they're really cheaply built and stitched to repair.
Yeah, and they're not built to be repaired. They're just
Yeah.
glued, and it's that's a shame.
Yeah, and Apple maybe this on the Max too, you know.
Yeah, maybe that would be awesome, Apple.
Yeah, why not? I mean,
You can do it. You proved it here. So, battery.
the battery in again, if I can. There we go.
Right, the P-Lach.
There it is, the bullet P-Lach. P-Light. That even works in English.
Wait, can you hold the screen? I need to check which one goes where because I think we mixed them.
Please.
Because we don't want to screw the longer
I mean, I
one
guess
into shorter.
the shorter one is left.
The short one is
No!
right.
Damn! That is because I put it in the wrong way. That makes sense then.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I will hand it to you if I can.
There's a shorter one now.
That's the short one, yeah. That goes to the right.
Can you hold the display again?
Yep.
Then maybe. Yeah, okay. Just a peek.
Man, I can really see it nicely.
Nice.
And the camera is still recording. How is that?
Maybe it's actually 50i.
Probably. It's really weird because on the iMac it like died
Yeah.
3 minutes.
Yeah, it's weird, yeah.
I don't know.
But I'm fine with it. Alright, so there we go. So we're
Good.
done.
We're done. So it's
close
folded down again. And
yes, I know we're not glued in, but
yeah.
it's just for collecting.
Yes,
so it's not that
and
bad.
it's in really nice condition.
Yeah, it really is. And then you just snap it in again.
Yeah.
Damn, it all actually fits perfectly again. And then the two pentalops.
Paint the lobes.
The shift actually didn't get fixed a bit. It's kind of weird.
Yeah,
But-
I think there's too much play, too much, too much.
They did a mistake there. Wrong.
Because there are replacement parts for this, which have like change out this layout.
Probably they made it a bit too big, right?
Yeah, or the camera too small. You can say that.
Yeah.
But I know.
I mean, that was still the days where the front camera wasn't H.
I think
No, it
this
was
was
HD,
HD,
but
but
not
it's
full HD,
Not full
right?
HD. Yeah.
If I can hit the screw.
Yeah, it's so tiny.
There we go. And one more, and then we're done.
Yeah.
Damn, that was straightforward.
That took half an hour, not even.
Not even, yeah.
Man. We're really gotten really nice at this. Really good.
If you compare it, if you guys go to Macintosh Man and you watch the original iPhone 5 video, if you
Man.
compare this,
That was terrible.
Oh, yeah.
Like how we were ripping on the screen, not
it's a
putting
wonder this phone survived.
not putting pics in to open it up.
Alright, now the test.
Is it charged?
Oh no, it isn't. Do you have a lightning cable?
I have a lightning cable.
The classic.
There you go.
Thank you. The whole spreader. Smilog would be happy.
18 minutes and 5 seconds is
Really?
like
Yeah.
we never made a cut.
Oh my god, that fast?
Man,
Damn, that was
that
really...
took you 15 minutes.
Yeah, holy shit. And yeah, it works, as you can see.
But
just
it
works.
needs to charge, so we'll let it charge.
Yeah. I mean, we can't test the speaker anyway because there's no SIM card in it, but it'll work. I'm positive
It'll work. Probably.
I never had it not work, and you can see it's perfectly aligned as well.
So, I mean, this was like 15 minutes.
I mean, maybe if you pointed at me, that this kind of proves what I've always and you always said. 15 minutes for this, and people want to have 150 bucks for that. Do you know how ridiculous that is? And
Just
you can
try it
do this
yourself,
too.
yeah.
That was just the only thing you need to be careful about is getting the screen out.
That's
And yeah,
the one.
maybe not extending the display too much, but that's all.
Yeah, and there are nice guides on iFixit or YouTube tutorials. You can do it.
There's so many tutorials on this.
So just try it.
Yeah, and don't get ripped off. Or let's say you want to replace the earpiece on this, right?
Yeah.
I promise you, back then, when this was still the new phone, right? Apple would have told you at least 50 bucks for sure.
Probably way more because
Yeah,
they're
actually.
Apple.
And you see how much work this was right now.
Wow. Just try it. Give it a try.
Yeah.
Especially when you have an older phone like this. I mean, if you destroy it, well, then
Yeah.
no problem, right? It's an old
Exactly,
phone, so maybe
exactly.
try it out on the old
And so
ones.
you can give a new phone more life.
Yeah.
Longer lifespan.
Yeah.
You shouldn't always just throw things away
No.
when something breaks. The company wants that, but you don't want
Yeah, and as you can
that. And
see,
your portemonnaie.
yeah, your wallet.
Your wallet, thanks. Your wallet doesn't want that too.
So, mate, well done.
Thank you. And that's how you fix the earpiece on an iPhone 6.
Alright, make a cut.
Yeah, thank you for watching.